I'm Sathish and I'm co-director of the MEL in Dependable Software Systems. The challenge with building software to automate stuff around us is that we'd actually like it to work correctly. And the more software we write, the less we think about it as software. We're using software to build autonomous vehicles and smart grid systems and a variety of other systems which we don't necessarily associate with software. The consequence of failure of these software systems has become much more significant. So there's a broader social impact that we believe students that graduate from the MEL in Dependable Software Systems can have. And this is really about taking responsibility for software systems and their quality. We need leadership to understand what is ethically acceptable and what is socially feasible in these situations. The MEL is truly a mix of engineering and leadership. So as part of the program, we provide the technical skills and the opportunities, but there's a whole lot of learning that comes simply by interacting with people that have slightly different backgrounds from each other. It truly embodies the idea that engineering requires leadership and that this is a way to build skills along both dimensions.